Well, hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, no matter what time it is or where you are while watching this. I hope you're having an amazing and profitable day. So, this last week on Coinbase, they released two new tokens for us to speculate and FOMO into. So, the first one was LCX, and the second one was SUKU, SUKU. But what are these cryptocurrencies? What's their function and utility? Let's dive into it so we can learn a little bit more about these two new cryptocurrencies. So, first up, we have LCX, Next Generation Cryptocurrency Exchange. So, right off the bat, you can think of this as simply an exchange for cryptocurrencies. Simple enough, and a lot of these tend to go very, very high. Now, both of these coins have a low market cap being on Coinbase and low market cap being under 500 million, and I think that that is generally a good investment for something that has potential. So, a low market cap with high utility usually leads to big returns. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but we're going to dive into these two coins, and you can make your own decision on whether you want to invest or not. The LCX exchange is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. Get access to new and fast growing tokens first. So, the LCX Exchange, a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. They have a terminal, which is a multi exchange crypto trading platform to trade on all major crypto exchanges within a single interface. So, essentially, they are trying to integrate these different exchanges, say Binance, Qcoin, Kraken, and things like that, into one terminal so you have ease of access so you can trade freely between them without having to bounce back and forth, which is really nice. It's utility, it's ease of access, and it's something that the space really does need. The next is a DeFi terminal. The most advanced DeFi dashboard, DeFi markets charting and limit order protocol built on top of Uniswap. And of course, they also have a token sale platform, which I can assume is for ICO launches. The platform for compliant token sales, tokenization, and security token offerings. The LCX exchange, of course, again, regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. Next generation digital asset exchange. An advanced crypto trading desk. Trade on all major crypto exchanges within a single interface. You can see an example on the right side of your screen there. In 2020, LCX secured approvals of 8 blockchain registrations within the registration NR 288-159, allowing LCX to offer the broadest scope of blockchain services alongside our sophisticated crypto compliance suite. The Pro Exchange, LCX's crypto assets trading platform, has been built from the ground up, leveraging the proficiency of our progressive crypto portfolio desk, LCX Terminal, and the LCX DeFi Terminal. By 2027, more than $8 trillion will be stored on blockchain networks, so said the World Economic Forum. LCX is building the infrastructure for this new financial world, powering professional crypto finance. One of the world's best places for finance from its AAA rating to its banking expertise, and these are Liechtenstein's blockchain laws, which is where I believe this was founded, created, and is operating from. Direct market access to the European Economic Area and Switzerland, legal clarity for security token offerings, STOs, and tokenization of assets, possible registration and licensing for the token economy, trading and transferring of digital assets. That's a fancy word of saying trading your cryptocurrency. Regulating custody and storage, issuance, and management of crypto assets. The Liechtenstein blockchain laws go much further than the blockchain legislation of other countries. Tokenize everything. LCX's infrastructure will be the basis for the future of digital assets. LCX is building a blockchain ecosystem, enabling institutional, merchant, and consumer access digital assets in a secure, trusted ecosystem. LCX aims to build the new infrastructure for digital finance, focusing on all aspects of compliance and regulation. Investing to build AML and KYC technology solutions at the institutional and consumer level, including on-chain analytics and surveillance for all crypto deposits and withdrawals. LCX is continuously engaging with policymakers, regulators, and financial institutions and will routinely participate in financial and security audits as well as regulatory compliance reviews. And you can see here a couple of their offerings. LCX Exchange is a compliant digital asset exchange under the blockchain registration as exchange service provider in Liechtenstein. Furthermore, LCX launched a trading software to manage crypto assets across multiple Bitcoin exchanges called the LCX Terminal. LCX DeFi Terminal, aka Fire Salamander, is a decentralized trading platform built on top of Uniswap. LCX does have a second layer protocol which is enabling limit orders on Uniswap DEX. In 2020, LCX gained regulatory approvals including digital asset crypto custody, reliable price oracles, KYC, AML, and crypto compliance services for tokenization and other blockchain projects, safe and secure smart contract creation and delivery, and a token offering platform which is focusing on utility tokens. So that right there, that center column basically says we're fully vetted, fully doxed, and that's why Coinbase decided to list us. As you know, Coinbase won't generally list something unless either A, there's a massive community outreach to do so, or B, they have fully doxed and vetted everything from the contract to the concept to all regulations being followed in order to list it on Coinbase. LCX has launched an end-to-end technology solution for companies to tokenize assets and launch security tokens. Clients of LCX can issue, manage, and trade digital securities powered by LCX's regulated blockchain services and our sophisticated crypto compliance suite. The LCX STO Launchpad is our proprietary token sale platform for our clients. And then they basically go into some more information on what their platform is doing, what it looks like, and how it will run. Now, the LCX Exchange website, the link to this website right here, will be in the video description below. Let me know what you think of this new merging concept of different trading platforms on this one exchange service. So next up we have SUKU, SUKU, and their website link will be down below as well. SUKU, Transparency and Authenticity Solutions for the Physical and Digital Worlds. The future is more transparent, trustable, and authentic. Traceability and transparency, microlending and collateralization, and authenticity for the physical and digital world through NFTs. And we see the physical world merging into the NFT space more and more. Just look at NFT wearables. Look at what Facebook is doing with the metaverse. Watch Sandbox, Decentraland, and other tokens that revolve around the metaverse pumping, and you start to get an idea of how this physical and digital NFT world is going to mix, and SUKU apparently is trying to hop on that trend and streamline it for the consumers, essentially for you and I. Connect with the conscious consumer and enable supply chain finance. The sustainable market for fast-moving consumer goods is valued at 2.5 trillion USD, which includes an untapped market opportunity worth 1 trillion. With consumers increasingly concerned about where products come from, the meaning of responsible business is shifting, demanding companies to source ethically and sustainably, be more transparent, help their customers give back, and give suppliers financial access. SUKU offers the transparency and technology to elevate the consumer experience. More than ever, consumers want to know where their favorite products come from. That's why SUKU Omni uses GS1 standards and blockchain-based verifiable data and analytics to track products through the supply chain and share engaging stories with consumers along the way. And of course, at any point in time, you can request a demo of this through their website, which will be in the description below. SUKU DeFi, decentralized finance for all supply chain participants, bringing decentralized finance to supply chain participants through SUKU's product offering. Supply chain participants such as farmers, manufacturers, and distributors who share information about their SUKU Trace products get rewarded and may be able to take advantage of the many benefits of decentralized finance built on the blockchain. Infinite, bringing authenticity to the digital world and physical world through NFTs. SUKU is creating a sustainable ecosystem for getting brands and artists into the metaverse. And that keyword, my friend, is huge. These projects coming into the metaverse space have the potential to blow up. Again, not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, but the metaverse is hype right now. The metaverse is on fire. It's something that I am looking to invest in and day out. SUKU is creating a sustainable ecosystem for getting brands and artists into the metaverse. And I want to say that again because brands and artists. Now, even Nike right now is looking to get into the metaverse. I cannot stress it enough, it is a very hot topic. SUKU solutions go from unique NFT marketplaces and NFC tamper-proof tags to engines to license, sell, and track digital assets in the metaverse. And of course, you can see some of the places that they have partnered with or they have been recognized on, and all their social links are down below. So SUKU is something that is going to basically say, hey, let's take Nike for an example. Now, of course, there's no mention of a Nike partnership, but just hypothetically, let's talk about what this would look like if Nike utilized it. Nike would essentially come to SUKU and say, hey, we want to launch our NFT wearable shoes on the metaverse. And we want someone to handle that, essentially a brand manager. Of course, Nike would have that done internally, but you get the basic idea if someone was to approach them and let them know their intentions. You could then essentially list your items on the SUKU platform, and those brands who do list will be rewarded for doing so, and then the consumers on the other end could actually track and know everything about your project. So this almost seems like a Kickstarter. If you know about Kickstarter, then you know that brands come to Kickstarter to have that big launch, to basically have consumers upfront know what their project and what their brand is all about. And it seems like SUKU is trying to do that for the NFT and digital asset world. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of SUKU and if you will be investing. As always, hustle family, keep on hustling, keep on finding that profit, and always aspire for more.